Chicken a la king. Hi, this is Chef Kevin, and tonight I'm making chicken a la king. This is classic American comfort food, although now pretty much obsolete. It was pretty popular back in the 50s and 60s, but for some reason it fell out of favor. This is a chicken dish, although you can use tuna or turkey, and it incorporates cream and milk. This is a good weeknight food. It's fairly easy to make, fairly quick, and you can use leftover turkey or chicken. So let's see how we do this. Chicken a la king. Okay, got a big saute pan here. Making 2 servings. That is 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of butter. Gonna let that melt down a bit. Alright, that's pretty much completely melted, and most of the bubbles have subsided. That means the water has evaporated. I have 5 ounces of sliced baby bella mushrooms. You can use just about any type of mushroom you like. This is something that I had lying around. I want to use it up. Gonna add a little salt to that. Sea salt. Okay, I want these to cook down pretty much all the way. So this is gonna take about 3-4 minutes. Okay, these are nice and golden brown. The mushrooms have given up their water. There's hardly any water in here left over. And all those mushrooms have absorbed the taste of the butter. That's a 1/4 cup regular flour. Gonna stir that in. This is gonna help build the sauce. Okay, that's all incorporated. We're going to add a cup of chicken broth or chicken stock. Going to add 3/4 cup milk. Going to give it some black pepper. Going to go ahead and put in 1 cup of diced turkey meat. This is turkey leftovers I had. We'll bring that to a simmer. I have 1 egg here and 1/3 cup of cream. What I'm going to do is mix this up. This gives it a nice rich taste. I'm going to take some of that liquid out of the pan and put it into the egg mix. And continue to beat that. I'm tempering my egg so it doesn't curdle. Back into the mix. You don't want the egg to solidify. This is not supposed to be scrambled eggs. That's why you temper the egg before you put it in. Okay, I'm going to let this cook down for a couple of minutes. Okay, that was about 2 minutes. I'm going to add a cup of frozen peas and carrot mix. You can use whatever vegetables you like. The original recipe actually calls for pimento, but I'm not into pimento right now, so there's a lot of variation in this recipe. You could use just about whatever you like. I like peas and carrots. Okay, I'm going to have to let that cook for a few more minutes. And we're almost done. This is easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I tested it for salt. I added a little salt. I think it's pretty much spot on. It has a nice consistency and a nice color to it. The original recipe also calls for the addition of sherry wine, but I'm not in the mood for sherry wine right now. Let's serve this bad boy up. I'm hungry. Now this is a very versatile dish actually. This can be served with rice or egg noodles, any type of pasta. But what I'm going to do is serve it over toast. And I like to do this because all that luscious cream is going to be absorbed by the toast. So there we have it, folks. Chicken a la king. Fit for a king. I'm going to garnish that with a little tarragon. I think that'll go really quite well. You can garnish it with parsley or cilantro. I'm in the mood for tarragon, however. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, let's taste it. Almost forgot, the best part is tasting it. Oh, that's really good. Nice and hot, rich. This is American comfort food. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, please.